Got a 2015 Honda CR-V, and I'm going to show you how quickly and easily we can change the cabin air filter. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Got a 2015 Honda CR-V, and I'm going to show you how quickly and easily we can change this cabin air filter. Now, the cabin air filter is located right in here behind the glove box. All we need to do is open this up. Now, if it's locked, you'll need to unlock it with your key, but if it's unlocked, just go ahead and drop this down. Now, over here on the side, there's a little damper. We just need to unsnap that by pushing it away from you. Just like that. Now we can drop the glove box all the way down by pushing in on the sides, and that will allow it to fall all the way down and give us access to the cabin air filter. The cabin air filter sits right in here behind this access panel, and all we need to do is push in on the sides. There's little arrows that are pointing inward. Just push in on both at the same time, and that panel will pop right off. And then we can pull out the old cabin air filter, and you can see this one is pretty dirty. Now it does say airflow down, and we also have printed on the side of the old air filter, airflow down. Now the new cabin air filter we went with is from STP, part number CAF1781. And we just want to match that up and make sure that that's the same exact size, which it is. And you can see right here, it does say airflow, and we do have a directional arrow. Now this is pointing up, so we need to make sure that we flip it over. So now the arrow is pointing down, and we're going to put that in the same orientation, just like the old one. And just push that all the way in, like so. And then we can put this cover back on. It just snaps in place. And then we can just lift the glove box back up, and it's just going to catch here on the sides like that. And come over here to the side, and you can see here's our little damper arm. All we need to do is line that up and then pull that towards you to snap it in place. And you're done. As you saw, that's a really quick and easy job. There's definitely no reason to pay somebody else to do that for you. I've heard of dealerships charging as much as $150, $160 just to change that out. I would recommend you do this yourself. It's definitely something that's very easy. Anyone can do it, and as you can see, you can save some money. I hope you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up a cabin air filter for your car as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.